YouTubers? Ian here with MAPerformance. We've got another super exciting exhaust video for you guys today. So this is probably the #1 requested exhaust that I've got so far since we've been doing this. Today we have on the Invidia N1. This is the dual version. This particular one's got the burnt titanium tips. Isn't that fancy? Everything is fun when it's titanium. So yeah, we're gonna get you some videos of this and some pictures. Initial impressions on this particular one compared to the ones we've been driving in, by far the loudest. So far, I mean, over the Tomei single, the Cobb, obviously the Q300. This one is one of the louder ones that we've encountered so far, which isn't a bad thing. I can see why this is so popular. It's definitely got probably the most aggressive sound to it. Maybe only slight negative is it is kind of droney versus the other ones. Like, just giving it a little bit of throttle like that, it's kind of bassy in here. So that might be the only thing I nitpick, but otherwise I've probably had the most fun driving around with this one. Makes some pops here and there and downshifts, and like I said, it's pretty loud, so it's enjoyable. Like I said, check out the sound clips, the videos. Let us know what you think. Comment below. And please, throw some more suggestions on different exhausts you'd like to test. Maybe we can get some more fun ones in here. And again, please subscribe. If you love this awkward face, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We've got more exciting things coming other than just catbacks the whole time, so stay tuned.